Have you ever wondered how something as massive as an elephant can walk through the jungle without making a sound? Mammoth no stomping, no thundering footsteps, just silence. How do they do it? In today's video, we're uncovering the mystery of why elephants don't make noise when they walk, despite their size and weight. Welcome back, animal lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of elephants, specifically tackling a question that might have popped into your mind. Why don't elephants make noise when they walk? Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth, so how do they manage to move so quietly through the wild without giving away their position to predators or prey? It seems almost impossible, doesn't it? But it turns out, elephants have some pretty incredible tricks up their sleeves. So, let's break it down and discover the hidden science behind their silent steps. Before we get into the science of why elephants walk silently, let's take a close look at the incredible design of their feet. These massive creatures have specially designed feet that allow them to walk almost like they're floating, despite their enormous size. Their feet aren't like regular animal feet. They have unique structures that play a huge role in how they move through their environment. Elephants' feet are shaped like large, padded discs, with thick, spongy pads that cover the bottom. These pads absorb the pressure of their massive bodies and distribute it evenly, allowing them to walk with less impact than you might expect. But that's not all. Elephants have a special bone structure in their feet, where the bones inside their feet are arranged in such a way that they don't pound against the ground as they walk. Their walking mechanics are so smooth that it reduces noise, making it nearly impossible to hear them coming from far away. Let's see how this design works in action. Next up, let's talk about the elephant's gait, or the way they walk. Elephants have a very unique style of walking that helps them reduce noise. They don't stomp or drag their feet like many large animals do. Instead, they move with a graceful, rolling gait. Unlike humans or other animals that have a bipedal or quadrupedal movement, elephants use a technique called pacing gait. This means they move both legs on one side of their body forward at the same time, which helps them maintain balance and minimizes shock. By shifting their weight smoothly from one leg to the next, they ensure that there's no loud impact or jarring sound as their feet make contact with the ground. The rolling motion of their body, combined with their slow, deliberate steps, contributes to the almost ghost-like quality of their movement. It's this unique gait that helps them sneak through their environment without drawing attention to themselves. But how does this benefit them in the wild? Now, let's get a bit scientific. Elephants don't just have silent feet because of their anatomy and gait. They also have some incredible adaptations that allow them to walk quietly, almost like a stealthy ninja in the animal kingdom. The key lies in their foot structure, which is made for both weight distribution and minimizing sound. As elephants walk, their feet absorb vibrations and dampen noise. Their feet act like a shock absorber, cushioning each step and preventing the ground from shaking with each impact. Additionally, elephants have an interesting quality in their foot bones, specifically, the shape and structure of their toes. While other animals have solid, stiff feet, the elephant's feet are designed with a sort of cushiony shock absorber that dampens sound and reduces pressure. The toe bones inside their feet are also aligned in such a way that when they walk, they distribute weight more efficiently, leading to quieter movement. Okay, now let's explore why this silent movement is so important for elephants in the wild. Elephants are often found in dense jungles, savannas, and grasslands where predators like lions, hyenas, and crocodiles lurk. These predators rely on sound and movement to locate their prey. For an animal as large as an elephant, being able to move silently through the terrain is an invaluable survival trait. Imagine being a lion, lying in wait for your next meal, when suddenly you hear nothing. The ground doesn't shake, no leaves rustle, just silence. That's the advantage elephants have. Their ability to move quietly allows them to avoid detection by predators. It's not just about sneaking past predators, either. Elephants also use their quiet footsteps to sneak up on other animals in the wild, whether it's to observe them or to avoid conflict. Their silent movement also helps them communicate without being heard. Elephants use infrasound, or low-frequency vibrations, to communicate with other elephants across vast distances. Their ability to move quietly and send these low-frequency vibrations through the ground means they can remain undetected while communicating over long distances. So, there you have it. Elephants' ability to walk silently is a perfect example of how evolution has fine-tuned them to thrive in their environments. Their special foot structure, combined with their unique gait, allows them to move through the wild without making a sound. This silent movement not only helps them evade predators, but it also allows them to communicate and navigate their habitats with ease. Next time you spot an elephant, take a moment to appreciate just how incredible their design is, and how the largest land mammal on Earth can move so gracefully without making a sound. Let us know in the comments, did you find this silent elephant trick fascinating? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing animal facts. Until next time, stay curious.